we guide you through how to download a Google Meet transcript. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Meet session or go to your Google Calendar and select the meeting where the transcription was enabled. Make sure that the transcription feature was turned on during the meeting because without it, no transcript file will be generated. Next, go to the meeting recap email sent by Google after the session ends, or open Google Drive and look for a folder called Meet Recordings or Meeting Transcripts. Inside, you will find a document file that contains the full transcript of your meeting. Click the file to open it in Google Docs, where you can edit, copy, or download it. To download, simply click File, then Download, and choose your preferred format such as Microsoft Word or PDF. If you're using Google Workspace, you may also see a transcript tab directly in the meeting details page where you can access and download it instantly.